The one thing is that you can do when you go to the bookstores, but not in the I would say not in the coronavirus time. You can do this. The smell of the book, it's amazing.
So after buying books, with all the fear aside, I came to the restaurant after a long time. So actually, we came to the restaurant with a finger crossed that nothing will happen. So this is the kind of experience that we are having, because in Kolkata the number of cases are keep increasing. So we are at actually Armenia. So I hope everything will be fine and I will be alive.
So this is the subscription that I took for the crossword. They said that they claim that they'd give me a 500 rupees discount, which they give actually. But honestly speaking, guys, buying physical books from the bookstores are really expensive. So let me just open up because I already saw the book. It's not a different experience than online, because when I order online, what really happens is I am really excited to open the package, but I kept this package from the crossword that I get. I touched this book when I was in bookstore, so I don't have that excitement to open this up because I'm already reading a lot of books, so I'm not going to read this book in this month. I'm going to read this book the next month maybe. So yeah, let's just unbox this, I would say. So the first book here is that I got is Kaizen. This book is recommended by a lot of people that I see from the Bookstagram and also on the YouTube. And there's a YouTuber called Haley. and she also recommended this book. I really found this reviews are really helpful for me, and this book says that this is a Japanese method for transforming habits one small step at a time. So I also have the book called The Atomic Habits by James Clear, and I would really want to read. I really love to read books which is related to the habits. So this is one book here. Okay, so another book is the Kalki. I'm reading the Shiva trilogy by the Amish Tripathi, and I also want to read this book, which is by Kevin Missel. There is also a recommended book by one of my friend also recommended this. This is the Kalki, and I really want, I'm kind of liking this mythological book, mythological fiction that I would say, and. Yeah, I would say that I'm really excited to read this book because yeah, after reading the Shiva trilogy, I have a really in-depth a love for the mythological book. After reading Amish Tripathi, I also have the audiobook of Ramchandra series because I want to listen to this book. I don't have the physical copy, so yeah, I just got the first book here. I didn't get the whole series because I think there are 3 books, and I got this book here. Okay, so another book is this Everything is Fucked by Mark Manson. I am a really great fan of the Mark Manson, I would say, because when I read this first book, the Subtle Art of Not Giving a Fuck, I was really excited, and I quite like this book. That was a very small book, but the language that he used was really simple for even beginners also, and I think the way he talked to his audience was really relatable. You can easily relate to that, and so this is the book that is there. This is Everything is Fucked. I really want to read this book, and I would say this book was like 500 rupees in the bookstore, even after giving the discount. I think I got it under 450 rupees, so there was yeah, but you can get this book on the 250 or 220 on the Amazon or Flipkart. So yeah, this is the difference that you get when you buy from the bookstore. The difference is huge. You are going to get, the amount is going to be really huge, but the one thing is that you can do when you go to the bookstores, but not in the I would say not in the coronavirus time, you can do this. The smell of the book, it's amazing. I don't know why I didn't feel like that when I was in school or anything like that. Yes, in school I used to like the smell of the book, but I really didn't enjoy this this way. So I would say I was wearing mask on the bookstore, so I could not do that. But I was, having that vibe there to get, purchase books. So I was really, I felt like that I should buy all the books there. But it was really expensive. The thing is that I was really conscious about what I'm buying. So yeah, this is the book that I got. I didn't buy a lot of books. So yeah. And yeah, this is the total amount was like 2647. It's a huge, because I took the membership as well, which cost around 1500 rupees. They told me that I will get 250 rupees voucher of 2 things. If you want a detailed video about the crossword vouchers and anything like that, because crossword is nearby my home, that's why I took the subscription. So yeah, so there is another book as well. Just hold a second. This is the last book of this. So yeah, this is a Bengali book here, and this says that Ponchashti Golpo, which basically by the Shekhar Bosu. It is a Bengali book. This is not for me. This is for my friend. This is like a gift for her, and she's a huge fan of the Bengali books. So this is a new writer for her. I think she's going to like it, and she chose it actually. So she was there with me. So yeah, this is the book. I don't know whether you guys read this book or not. Any Bengali here, you can comment below. So all this book, like cost me around okay, I just throw it out. There was a discount going on, I think on this book. Yeah. even if I got it under 450 rupees, there was discount going on. There was 10% around discount, so I got it under 450. That's the discount I got here. And that book, which is this is the book, the label is 250 rupees. I got it under 250 rupees, Kalki. And the Kaizen, it was 600 rupees, and there was no discount. That is under 600 rupees. You can get this book on the Amazon or Flipkart at rupees 350, I guess. 350 or 300 rupees as well. So yeah, it's almost double the price if you buying the physical book from the bookstores. But packaging are really good, and I don't know, I didn't order this book from the online. I don't know whether they're going to have all this thing. Okay, and this book is 350 rupees, as the body print says. They don't really go down below the body prints. There are some discount going on for some books. From the discount set, I just found this book helpful, so I bought this. So all this book around was like 1000 or 1200 rupees maybe. So other than that, I took the subscription, which was a yearly subscription of 1500 rupees. For that, they gave this crossword book card, and this has some vouchers so that I can claim. I don't know whether you can see these vouchers. So it has some vouchers on some bills. So yeah, this is the voucher. And if you want a detailed video, I will make one, because I'm going to, throughout the year, I'm going to purchase some books from the crosswords, because I really like the experience of going to the bookstore and buying it. I really liked it. So that was my first time, and I quite like this. So if you guys are buying from online and never bought books online, I think offline, sorry. So I think you should, guys, give it a try. And yeah, that was all about it. And if you like the video, give this video a huge thumbs up. And if you want me to make such videos in future as well, please do comment below, because this is going to be my first video on the Impulse Books channel. Maybe, I don't know if I upload any videos in between. So yeah, if you like the video, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel, because we are going to upload more videos like this. So yeah, thank you and have a good day. Yeah, I'm just literally sweating, man.